Suave.
What's up, Suaves? Welcome to Suave TV. I'm your host, Sammy Suave. Today is our first official episode, Big Grandpa Fighting on People prank. We're gonna be going and fighting on people and getting the best reactions as undercover Big Grandpa. I hope you enjoy this episode. Let's do this.
Suave TV.
Do you know where the nearest toilet is, man? Oh, can't stop fighting, man. It smells worse than fish. Do you know where the nearest toilet is, man? Yeah, I don't know if I can. I gotta go, man.
I don't know.
Yeah, it was you who heard that. Yeah, that was loud though.
Yeah.
Oof. Oh.
Suave. Sax.
Do you know where the nearest toilet is, man?
Did you go out here?
Yeah, I blew up. You heard that, yeah? You heard that, man? It was loud.
Yeah, I think you better go.
Yeah, I need to go, man. Oh. Do you know where the toilet is?
Yeah.
I had a bad lunch, man. Oh, yeah. Sorry, is there a smell or you can't smell it? Sorry, man. Yeah.
Just next to that
Okay.
shop there.
No worries, man. It was bad. No. You know where the toilet is? Sorry, man. Yeah, I had beans, I had bad. Yeah. Did you hear that, by the way? Did you hear it? Did you hear it? Yeah. Oof.
And one more.
Suave.
Do you know where the toilet is, man? Yeah. They sold me contaminated food and I can't stop fighting, man. Oh. Yeah, thank you, man. Excuse me, you know where the toilet is? What? I had contaminated food, man. It's really bad.
Suave. Suave. Sax.
So we liked your reaction. It's a bit hard because you can't actually hear it when you're playing. It's just a little Pluto that I do. Yeah, my name's Sam, by the way. Is it okay if we use a tape? Yeah? Cool. It's Suave TV is the channel. That was a very good reaction from you. We're doing a Big Grandpa fighting prank.
Oh.
It's a hidden camera, and my cameraman's just there.
Okay.
Yeah,
I
it's
was,
just there
I was
recording.
Watching, I said, what's wrong here?
Yeah.
Needs any help? I was about to call to you, then at the back of the mind, I thought, no, nothing is wrong.
Yeah.
I don't know, my sixth
Because I made a noise, the fighting noise.
Yeah.
So we're it's on YouTube. So is it okay if you're in the video?
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, it's Suave TV is the channel.
Okay.
Yeah, check it out, man. So, just to let you know, we're filming a comedy episode. It's a comedy channel. So you're on the hidden camera. He's filming. Yeah. We're getting people's reactions. We're doing Big Grandpa fighting on people. Yeah. And then the next one is going to be Big Grandpa falling on escalator. So is it okay if we use it for the video? It's going to go on YouTube. It's all right. I've got the channel is Suave TV. If you want, sorry, just letting you know, we're the Candid Camera Show. We're filming a YouTube video. Yeah. Is it okay if you're in it in the video? Yeah. It's actually Suave TV. If you, we're doing like a grandpa kind of thing. So that's the channel, man. You want to check it out? Yeah. Thank you, man. Cheers. Just letting you know, we're doing a comedy skit. We're the hidden camera. So you're on the hidden camera at the moment. There's a camera recording you, the guy with the bag. You're on the hidden camera show.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a funny show. We do funny comedy.
Okay.
So it's not really, it's a Kuda here. I'm doing like a Big Grandpa prank, fighting on people.
When you walked up, I'm thinking to myself, oh, you gotta go. you gotta go.
Yeah.
Right?
Is it okay if you're in the video?
Sorry?
Is it okay if you're in the video?
Well, yeah.
It's gonna go on YouTube.
Yes, that's fine.
The channel is Suave TV. By the way, we're joking. We're filming a comedy. We're on Comedy TV. Yeah.
I can see.
Yeah. You can't get it 100%. We're filming a grandpa fighting prank on the hidden camera. My cameraman's just there. So we wanted to get people's reactions. It's going to be on the comedy channel Suave TV.
Oh, nice meeting you.
Yeah, so you can check it out. It's when you get a chance, you get that one.
Sure. Thank you.
Nice to meet you, man. You're okay if you're on the video? You're okay if you're... We're just joking, man. You're actually on the hidden camera show. On people prank, and then another one falling on escalator. So two...
That's gonna be an interesting one.
Yeah. 2 episodes. Is it okay if we use the take with you? Yeah. I've got Suave TV is the channel if you want to check it out later. We're doing a grandpa fighting prank. Comedy, you're on the hidden camera. Yeah. Is it okay if you guys are in it? Yeah, I'm gonna let you know that your reaction was great. Our viewers are gonna love your reaction. You're on the hidden camera show. My cameraman just there filming.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you're on Suave TV. How you going? We're actually doing a hidden camera prank, Grandpa, and we liked your reaction. Yeah, we're doing the first one is fighting Grandpa, and then the second one is falling on the escalators. That's my channel, Suave. If you want to check it out.
You know what they did? You know that the prank?
I couldn't actually get it loud enough, but I think after a few times you heard it. Yeah. Is it okay if you guys are in the video? You can't stop laughing. Yeah. If you want to check out the video.
Okay.
See you later, guys. See ya. Thank you for watching this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notifications, like and comment below. Also share this video on social media, Instagram, Twitter and Facebook and follow us on there. It's going to be great. Thank you for watching. Until next episode, stay suave.
Suave TV.